Hey, it's me, Alex. So I wanted to share something with y'all that I've been working on all spring because I'm finally ready to share it. But before I get into all the details, if you're new here, I have a free 5-day tongue drum mini course, which is available in the link in the description. So I've been teaching tongue drum to a lot of students and people for the last several years, and I started to know a pattern. What's happening is when I'm working with students, they get a tongue drum, they learn a few notes, it sounds really good, but then after a while they kind of hit a wall. They reach a plateau because there's no really guiding structure that allows them to move on to the next step. So this is why I decided to create a tongue drum master course. It's going to be a live 7-week program on Zoom. Sessions will happen once a week, and there will be a replay available to watch at your own pace. There will be community support and a private group throughout the entire program. And by the end of the course, you'll have the confidence to play something real, not just noodling around trying to make something sound pretty. So this course might be really great for you if you have a tongue drum and you're either starting out or you've been playing for a while and have just hit a plateau and you're looking for some structure to build on your skills and take it to the next level. I'm really excited to be able to offer this course with y'all. It begins on August 4th, and if you're interested, there's more details in the link in the description below.